Yo, good morning guys. So today I have been bestowed upon some dog hair. Look at this. We are going to do some pet hair removal. I got my brush and my handy triangle. So have these guys out while working on this right here. Sometimes you might require both. Today's video, I'm just gonna show you guys how these stuff pretty much works. As you can see, got my tape here lined up. I'm just gonna work in one section here and kind of show you guys, you know, a bit of that before and after kind of thing. But I want to just go ahead and get right into it. So as you can see, pet hair, the owner's hair, trying to get these removed. Look at that, simple. Sometimes though, pet hairs and stuff like that, they can really get into the fabric and it gets really tough for you to kind of just like get out, considering that rubber will actually do the job for you. But here is the method with just the brush itself. And now with your triangle, each side has different variety sizes of teeth, and depending on the fabric itself, you're pretty much either a small one digging in the grooves and stuff like that, kind of, you know, digging deeper. As you can see with the more spaced out teeth, really just shows for like less of a dog hair. Since we do have a lot today, we're just gonna go ahead and kind of move around with the smaller one and see how that goes. But depending on which, you're just kind of just testing it out to see which actually works more, as you can see. So considering, to me, what I feel works best would most definitely be the brush. Look at that, and then look at that. So not saying this won't do the job, but having both just in case can really get you that. Like I said, pet hairs are really tedious. They will dig deep into the material, the carpet. So right now for the process, we're just pretty much just brushing away and stuff like that. Once you're getting all that ready and stuff, what I usually do first, aside from this process here, I would just vacuum, get all this stuff right here, get into that process right now. You would want to move with the direction of the hair. So best way to do so is once you're getting through picking up everything, all the larger pieces and stuff like that, you'll be left with all that leftover hair that's going to be just stuck into the fabric. So as you can see, there's still some hair left. In the direction of where it's going, that's where you want to vacuum through. So this one's moving up right here. Just go up with this. And you're pretty much using that suction to pull. Just move in that same direction. Look at that, it's pretty simple. All right, so definitely have these guys out just in case. This is pretty much the process that I go through just so I can deal with all this little pet hairs and stuff like that. It is a bit tedious, but with the method of just having a brush and your triangle out, you can get a lot much done. And at the same time, make sure you got your vacuum with you so that way you're also going through and along. So like I said, I got this tape out. I am gonna go ahead and start knocking this through, and then after that I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit of the after on how this side looks versus and compare with how this side is going to look afterwards. So wish me luck. Hopefully we can knock this out. All right guys, you ready to see some progress? So remember, this here was all that stuff that was on before when I was working on the other side, showing you guys the process of what I was going to do. Now we are working with this. Look at that, just a nice clean process to remove some dog hair. So big difference. See that? Look at that. And with this process, you're pretty much left with little to no hair. So if we get deep now, and kind of just look things through, you have a way better surface. Good luck to you guys.